and then that's both of them. And then that's there, normal.
I feel like I'm breathing really.
It's the best it is, man. Everything else. Laugh at everything, yeah. I'm about to branch.
Should we try to give us that fucking burger?
Right, lovely 12-hour shift for a Friday. Basically, I had physio today, 10:30, which was first time, so you got to fill in forms, do this, do that. Alright, it's only an hour, sound. 2 hours we were. So Tom the dog running around, picked me back up once physio had finished, and then that's what set us back. So now it's 7:25, literally just walked through the door. But that job is knocked off. That's another one knocked off. But yeah, what a week. Try to get that done. Just one big push. Battling on. Today, we had to stay today because tomorrow is going to rain, so I won't be able to see all that. I think Saturday and Sunday is going to rain, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday it's fine. But it's raining tomorrow. I'm starting to rip out another driveway tomorrow because, like I say, I'm away next week, Thursday onwards. So, yes, good end to a week. So I'm off for fish and chips. Gonna get a shower. Then I'm gonna go for fish and chips. Apparently kids are starving. Who knows? But I'll see you all tomorrow, Saturday, 8 o'clock sharp.